Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Heartland M-185. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. From the factory, the 2020 Heartland M-185 Mallard comes equipped with a range of impressive features. Inside, you'll find a spacious and comfortable living area, complete with modern furnishings and ample storage space for all your travel essentials. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, stove, microwave, and sink, making meal preparation a breeze. Sleeping accommodations are provided by a cozy queen bed, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of exploration. The bathroom features a shower, toilet, and sink, offering convenience and comfort on the go. With its lightweight construction and aerodynamic design, the Heartland M-185 Mallard is easy to tow and maneuver, making it ideal for both novice and experienced travelers. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, this travel trailer is ready to accompany you on your journey.